Hello, welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. My name is Luis. How are you?
My name is Sultan. Nice
Sultan.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How can I help you today?
We can have a free conversation.
All right, Sultan. So let's see. First, what would you like to know about me? Or
Yeah. So, where are you from?
Arizona? Yeah, first question.
Arizona.
Uh-huh.
It's in US?
Yes, it's California.
Ah, okay.
Uh-huh.
And what's your profession?
Teacher. Yeah, English teacher.
Wow.
Yeah,
So,
ESL, right? Uh-huh.
so you teach younger students or older students?
All ages, but yeah, mainly kids. Kids are the ones that are
Wow.
learning English the most these days. Yeah.
Right. So, this is online teaching or you go to school?
Well, online now. Before the COVID, I used to teach in schools, but after COVID, just online. Yeah.
So, in Arizona, schools are still closed?
No, but English language schools closed down, right?
Uh-huh.
And now they're open again, but there's no point in going back to school if I can teach online, right? I can work from home.
Oh,
So,
wow.
yeah, like,
Wow.
why go back? Yeah.
So now you don't want to go back to school. You
No.
prefer teaching online.
Mm, yeah. I mean, I miss people, right? Being able to talk to people in person, but it's more convenient to work online.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. You only work with Cambly or you have some other platforms too where you teach?
Other platforms too. Yeah.
Wow. Let me ask you one thing, your
Sure.
background. Is it a
Yeah.
virtual background or a real one?
Yeah. It's virtual. Yeah.
Virtual. So do we have option in Cambly to change our
No,
background?
I don't think so. This is ManyCam, but I use it for teaching the kids and things like that. So
Ah, it's like
yeah.
a website or software?
It's software. Software.
Software. Ah, so is it
ManyCam.
free?
Yeah, there's a free version. Yeah. The free version has a watermark on it
Ah,
and
I
some
see.
limitations, but
I see.
yeah.
That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, you
Uh,
could always
I
pull up
I
there.
also teach on Ingo part-time
Oh, that's cool.
English. Yeah. So in that application and the website, we have this option to change our background.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. That's more. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
more advanced, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.